We received a package from the manufacturer within 3 days of ordering. The startup of the new Ricoh IMC 4500 copier starts with taking it out of the cathode packaging. The copier will be installed on additional paper cassettes, called Paper Feed Unit PB3280. First, remove the protective tapes from the paper feed unit. Then, remove all blue locking tapes from the copier and the automatic document feeder. Gently remove the protections from the control panel. An interesting fact is that the panel is a regular tablet, and if you disconnect it, you can use it mobile. Of course, you have to give it a power source first. This is just such a curiosity. Remove the scanner glass protective parts. On the left side of the glass, remove the 2 scanner positioners that protected it during transport. Secure empty holes with plugs found in the installation kit. Open the front cover and remove the 2 threaded locks. Install new toners in the copier. The order of installing the toners does not matter. Now we start installing the internal finisher SR3250. Remove the covers on the right side of the copier. Remove the output tray. Remove the cover. Remove the upper bracket with the exit sensor. Remove the exit rollers. They will be replaced with other rollers that you will find in the installation kit. A little coffee break, and we continue with the installation right away. Prepare a new guide, and on it you will find the exit rollers I mentioned a moment ago. The exit rollers differ in shape, so we install new ones. Install a new housing over the rollers. You will find it in the installation kit. Remove the left casing or it will be replaced with another one. Dismantle other covers of the output section. Install a new metal guide. You will find the metal guide in the installation kit. Prepare the finisher for installation. Remove the protective tapes, install the staples, and screw the additional guide. Slide the finisher into the copier. Secure it with the screws, and connect. Install a new lower case. Instead, twist the new additional housing, provided with the finisher kit. Reinstall the covers on the right side of the copier. Plug in the copier and turn it on. Set a login and password for the copier. Use the word admin for login and password. Then turn the copier off and on. In the settings section you will find the option to change the language. In this model of the copier, you do not need to initialize the developers, just start the copier, and you are ready to copy. However, after installing the optional finisher, you must enable its functions. Now I am making a few changes to individual settings, for energy saving, IP and network. You don't have to do this, but it's worth knowing. The menu is very extensive and everyone will find the right settings. This is where you can start auto IP address. I do not use this function because we already have our IP address planned for this device. Now we will enter the service mode and set the counters for maintenance. I activate the toner icon on the main desktop. Here is another IP address option. PM alarm level, or maintenance counter. OK, we finished the settings, and make the first test print from the copier's memory. Now we will make several two-sided copies, using the finisher, and stapling. The copier and stapling options are working properly. I am very happy. This is what our new copier looks like after installation. Unfortunately, we also have a whole collection of unnecessary cardboard boxes that will have to be disposed of. If you think the video was helpful for you, start supporting our channel. We use all the money we receive to buy new devices and create films. Join the group of supporters. Finally, excerpts from other films. Subscribe to my channel if you can. Special thanks to Sprint Service, which helps in creating this movie.